Without a question, we cannot get any answer. How can we construct an interrogative sentence by using simple present tense? Before we get deeper into the conditions of using simple present tense, it is actually very significant to understand the interrogative construction of simple present tense. Let's take a very basic example. I eat food. In order to construct an interrogative sentence, in order to convert it into an interrogative sentence, the very first thing that you'll have to put your finger on is the verb that is eat. Now, break it. Yes, you heard it right. Break it. When you break it, see who is sitting before eat. The word is I. I eat food. So break eat and you will find do plus eat. Now, while converting it into the interrogative sentence, place the do in the initial part of the sentence, the first part of the sentence, and keep the eat where it is. Do I eat food? Give an interrogative sign, the question mark. Next one. She plays football. Again, just like the previous one, let's take the word plays. Break it. Before breaking, see who's sitting behind plays. That is she, a third person. And in case of a third person, when we break the verb, it becomes does plus play. Does plus play. And just like before, put the does in the first part in the sentence, in the start, in the beginning of the sentence. Does she, and keep the play where it is. Does she play football? Give a question mark. Last sentence. We watch movies. Again, in order to convert it into an interrogative sentence, focus on the verb that is watch. Now watch carefully. Watch, break it. Who's sitting at the beginning? We. A lot of people, more than one person. In this case, again, we will use do plus watch. And likewise, do comes at the beginning. We watch stays where it stayed. Do we watch movies? Question mark.